Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side mirror on your Toyota Rav4. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror assembly for your vehicle. Working in a well-lit area will help you clearly see all the components and connections, making the process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This will expose the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it free. Then, use your 10mm socket to unscrew the 3 bolts securing the mirror. Finally, gently pull the old mirror away from the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, making sure the bolt holes align perfectly. Insert and firmly tighten the 3 10mm bolts to secure it in place. Reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click, ensuring all functions work. Before reassembling, test the mirror's power adjustments and any integrated turn signals to confirm everything operates correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips snap securely into their respective slots and the panel sits flush. Double-check all your connections and confirm the new mirror's full functionality, including power adjustments and heating elements. Finally, clean the new mirror and the surrounding area for optimal visibility. This entire process typically takes about 30 to 45 minutes to complete.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.